Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. My name's David. If you don't know, I took early retirement 2 years ago at the age of 57, so it's been well over 2 years now, and just things have gone so fast. So I did a video a while back, 5 reasons why you won't retire. Today's video is 5 questions you will get asked during early retirement, almost on a weekly basis. So if you like this kind of thing, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done already, and share the video if you wouldn't mind. And let's look at this backdrop here. Oh, stick around to the end, little bonus as well for you. Number 1, won't you get bored? Look at this, when you've been stuck in a factory for 41 years and you've got a chance to do this, well, you still got your health, why wouldn't you? So the big answer is no, I won't get bored. I'll find things to do. Number 2, how did you retire so early? Now, a lot of early retirees, they have a defined benefits pension or like a final salary, like teachers, armed forces, that kind of thing, police officers. But mine's defined contribution, so I started paying into a pension from the age of 18 for some reason. Don't know why, no one else around me seemed to do it in my circles, so I suppose with all that compounding growth, that's allowed me to do it. And at the time when I took it out, there was no drawdown off plus anything like that, it was all annuities, and the rules changed, so for me, a bit of a no-brainer. Okay, number 3, this goes back to that one really. Are you scared of running out of money? Well, I suppose the answer is, in a way, yes. Well, we all are, aren't we? Whether you're working, retired, anything like that. I know my state pension will kick in. Backdrop there. State pension will kick in 8 years. So my plan is to take a little bit more from my pension, and then when I get to state pension age, because I just get hammered for tax, reduce what I take out. But 2 years in, and I've got more money now than I've ever had, so for me it's always a concern. And the stock markets will drop 20-30%, you're prepared for that. I work with a financial advisor, that does help settle you. Obviously take a cut, but they can advise you on things like how to take withdrawals tax efficiently, also inheritance, that kind of thing. So they are worth working with. That's my main pension pot. I've got a couple of smaller ones and some stocks and shares ISAs, so I can draw on them if need be. But yeah, it's always a concern. And you know, is it your concern as well if you're ready to take the plunge? You could always buy an annuity. I didn't want to do that, but it will be an option in the future, for surety. Right, number 4, have you lost your identity? It's a strange one, that. This is one you don't really think about when you're about to retire. You know, no one reminds you of it, or no one tells you that. You know, you go to a party or a pub or a park, and what do you do for a living? Oh, I'm an engineer. Well, and when you're not, you're retired, aren't you? Retiree. So people always ask that. You know, you just have to accept, and you just have to find other things in your life. I do some volunteering, see a lot of family and friends, you know, so yeah, it's always a bit of a one to think about that. But, so you're asking if I get bored. Look at that behind me. I think in the distance there's a place called Coombs Edge. Look it up if you want. Right, number 5, before we get to the bonus. Do you feel guilty about not contributing to the system, i.e. the economy? No, I don't actually. I did 41 years in a job I didn't particularly like. It was okay, it wasn't the best paid, it wasn't the worst paid, it was a skilled engineer. But yeah, so if you've ever worked on a lathe and you've had a day at work where you've had a good day, if you don't get cuts, burns or splinters, so do I feel guilty? not in the slightest. Little bonus for you. How will I know when it's time to retire? Now, we're all different, but for me, you know, you go on a holiday and you have two weeks away in the summer, and you get the Monday morning blues, you're dreading going back to work on the Monday morning, and it soon passes. We've all been through there. You know, you start talking to your workmates, before you know it, you're just back in the routine. So when you get to a certain stage, I think you've got Manchester Airport in the background there. You get to a certain stage where every morning you're waking up, you really don't want to be there. And for me, that was 2 years ago. I woke up Easter Monday and I decided I was finishing. I had made plans before that. I was originally talking about going at 55, so yeah, for me it was the time. So little bonus. So like I say, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it if you like it. Leave any comments below. You know, have you got any fears yourselves? You do get questions asked, because we need to get this out and about. But look at these. Beautiful. Over this style. Oh, breaking my bloody neck. It's a bit dodgy this one. I'm sure the farmers do this on purpose. So I'll just take you down here. Eggs for sale, £1.50. Well, 2 of those boxes, shall we? I don't eat eggs, but my wife does. So let's get the money in. Think of the money. Yeah, evidence for it. 1, 2, £3 for 2 boxes. Well, there's my wares. Got 6 in there. 6 in there. So £1.50 for half a dozen free range eggs. That's not bad, is it? We'll come here again. Cheers, and I'll catch you on the next one.